Did you know that incorrect dermaplaning techniques cause micro tears, irritation, and even long-term damage to your skin? If you've ever experienced redness, breakouts, or patchy results, you could be making one of these 3 big mistakes. But don't worry, I'm here to help you fix them today. Dermaplaning has exploded in popularity because it removes dead skin and peach fuzz, giving you that glass skin glow. But what many people don't realize is that using the wrong tools or techniques can lead to more harm than good. Today, I'm going to be sharing the top 3 mistakes people make with dermaplaning tools and exactly how to fix them. Mistake number 1, using dull or low quality blades. One of the most common and damaging mistakes I see, using a dull, overused, or low quality blade. A dull blade won't glide smoothly and instead tugs at the skin, leading to uneven exfoliation and the microcuts. This increases your risk of irritation, redness, and even breakouts. The fix? Always use a new, professional-grade dermaplaning blade for each session and order products through a reputable source. The second mistake? Pressing too hard. Many people think more pressure means better exfoliation, but this actually causes micro tears in the skin, leading to sensitivity, redness, and increased risk of breakouts. The fix? Hold the blade at a 45-degree angle and use short, gentle strokes. Let the blade do the work. Mistake number 3, skipping skin prep and aftercare. Many people skip proper skin prep before dermaplaning, which can push dirt and bacteria deeper into the skin, leading to clogged pores and breakouts. And skipping hydration after? That can leave your skin dry and irritated. The fix? Start with a clean, dry face. Double cleanse to remove all of the oils and makeup. And always follow up with a hydrating serum and SPF to protect and nourish your skin. Here are a few pro tips to get the best results from your dermaplaning treatments. Use high-quality blades for smoother, safer results. Hold the skin taut to prevent dragging. Move in short, controlled strokes and never ever rush. Always apply SPF after dermaplaning to protect the fresh skin. Follow these and you'll be on your way to flawless, glowing skin every time. By avoiding these mistakes and following proper dermaplaning treatment protocol, you'll get smoother, brighter, irritation-free skin. It's all about using the right tools and gentle technique for the best results. Your results are only as good as the tools that you use. If you want professional, high-quality dermaplaning blades and supplies, we've got you covered. Click the link below to shop pro-grade tools that give you the best results safely and effectively. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more expert skincare tips.